Do you want to know the easiest ways to make money online in 2024? Stay tuned as we explore 4 of the laziest methods to pocket a cool $500 per day, even as a beginner. First up on our list is affiliate marketing. No need for product creation or service provision, just promote and earn. Find a product you love, sign up for its affiliate program, and get a special link. This link tracks the traffic you send to the product's site. Now share this link on your blog, social media, or wherever you can. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, voila, you earn a commission. Secondly, consider online surveys. Many companies pay to hear your opinion. Sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie are just waiting to pay for your thoughts. Sign up, complete surveys, and accumulate points. Cash out these points for money or gift cards. Remember, consistency is key. The more surveys you complete, the more you earn. Thirdly, try your hand at freelancing. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr connect you with clients needing your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or voiceover artist, there's a client for you. Create a standout profile, bid for projects, deliver quality work, and get paid. Lastly, consider print on demand. Sites like Redbubble or Teespring allow you to upload your designs. They print your design on their products only when a customer makes a purchase. You earn a commission from each sale without worrying about inventory or shipping. Remember, the internet provides countless opportunities to earn. Affiliate marketing, online surveys, freelancing, and print on demand are just a few of these. Start today, and you could be making an easy $500 per day in no time. In summary, making money online in 2024 doesn't have to be complicated. With a bit of effort and consistency, anyone can earn from the comfort of their homes. So, don't wait. Embrace these lazy methods and turn your online time into a profitable venture.